We are here at CES 2025. I just can't wait to see all the new shiny tech things they have in store.
Neon lights, they flash and glow. Wires twist and circuits flow in a hall of endless dreams, where the future's what it seems.
As far as the eye can see, and booze. Here at CES, and this is Current. Tell me a little bit about your product.
Yeah, sure. So this is Current's Model P Smart Pizza Oven. And it's actually the first Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connected electric pizza oven.
Wi-Fi.
It can be used both indoors and outdoors. And of course we have this smart app, which is incredible in terms of the controls, the monitoring, and then just also the versatility. So we can use the app to select what type of pizza we would like to cook. Let's say we want a Neapolitan style pizza. We would say preheat. Then we press the knob to confirm. And then within the app, we can also use something called the Pizza Build Calculator, which can then adjust the temperature and the duration of the cooking for how you would like it. So let's say you want it well done, you would press accept, and the time would change from that 2-minute setting of the Neapolitan to 2 minutes and 20 seconds, just giving you more precision.
What is the maximum temperature of the oven?
850 degrees Fahrenheit. So no other electric pizza oven actually gets hotter than that.
Okay.
So Neapolitan style pizzas are ready in just 2 minutes.
And when is this going to be available?
So it'll be available in Q2 of this year and be priced at $599.
As far as the eye can see, there's tech everywhere. And people. Oh look, there's a robot. It's not ready yet though.
They even have a pinball machine.
On media days, there's free food.
Lights are flashing, screens aglow. New gadgets on display, you know.
All right, so I'm here at CBRAM. Tell me about your product.
Yeah, welcome to CBRAM at CES 2025. It's our product code 27, and it's an AI-powered character live mode. You can interact with any character you like. And we have microphone and camera in the device. She can see your face, see your motion, and capture anyone you see. So you can interact with the multimodally. Yeah.
Now, does this do processing in the unit, or does it have to go to the cloud and come back?
It can process the model in your computer, or you can choose any API model like from the cloud, like ChatGPT cloud.
Can I run a model, an LLM, directly on my PC?
Yeah, sure.
And
no
internet, and it will do everything? Sweet.
You can run your model locally on your computer. Yes.
Got a huge shout out for Reolink. Thank you for sponsoring a trip here to CES in 2025. Without this sponsorship, we might not have been able to see all of these shiny tech things. This is the Lumos. Hey Lumos. Hey Lumos.
Notification sound.
I don't hear anything.
Maybe you say louder. Hey Lumos. Yeah, you have to be like.
It just picked that up for me.
I picked that up. Oh, okay.
Hey Lumos. I hear it now, yeah. Hey Lumos, what time is it in Australia?
You wait for a moment. Basically, you say hey Lumos, you wait for the notification sound, then you speak.
Now it's playing it out the do over and over.
Oh, it's connecting it slowly. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the internet here is horrible.
12:20 p.m. Coordinated Universal Time on January 6th, 2025. Western Australia. AWST UTC +8.
Yeah, it's working.
8:20 p.m. on January 6th, 2025. Northern Territory. ACST UTC +9:30. 9:50 p. 10:50 p.m. on January 6th.
What's that?
Still speaking? Still speaking?
Yeah, it's still speaking, yes.
UTC.
I wonder if this is picking it up on the mic.
11:20 p.m. on January 6th, 2025, during daylight saving. AEST UTC plus 10.
Apparently, there's a lot of time zones in Australia.
Oh, right, yeah. So you have to specify which city.
Yeah,
Sydney
Sydney
or
yeah. It's cool. What other cool stuff would you do?
I mean, you can say, look what's in front of me. Look and tell me what's in front of me. You can identify items with your camera, like. Oh, okay.
There we go. Well, hey Lumos, tell me what's in front of me. It's thinking.
Can you hear the picture sound?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're at an event or conference. In front of you is a person holding a camera, taking your photo. There's a banner for the everyday AI glasses, and a few people around, some with lanyards, likely attendees or exhibitors. If you have more questions, feel free to ask.
Hold on. That was cool. I didn't hear what you said though, when because I was listening and trying to capture it.
Okay.
So what were you saying?
Really to identify items.
Yeah, it's like there's a person in front of you holding a camera.
Yeah, holding a camera, yeah.
Yeah, and it's like, and it looks like you're at a conference. It's like, wow,
Okay, cool.
that is really cool. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
This is our smart ring. We call Ringcon. So this is our Ringcon second generation. It's called Ringcon Gen 2. So comparing with Gen 1 and Gen 2 is that Ringcon Gen 2 have the function, we call it sleep apnea monitoring. So it's comparing with the other smart ring brand, they do not have. And our battery life is about 10 to 12 days. So it's much more longer than the other brands. And also we have no subscription fee than the other brand. And comparing with Ringcon Gen 1 and Gen 2, is that our battery life is much more longer than the Gen 1. And the size is the lightning and the thinnest in the world.
Now, if you're like me, you don't get outside much because you're always on the computer all day. And this tech solves that problem.
Hi. My name is Arjan Sierner. I'm from Sunlet Life Science BV from the Netherlands. We have developed this technology based on scientific research and a clinical trial to find out what are the health benefits of sunlight. So it means that we looked at how people react on these effects. So near-infrared light, that is an important portion of sunlight, gives you these health effects that is like reducing the resting heart rate, improving your mental health, but also reducing the inflammatory indicators in your blood so that your immune system is boosted. So how it does is that the sunlight, the near-infrared light that we have developed with this device, which you can see that there's a really bright light coming to you, which is invisible, that penetrates through your skin, activates the energy in the cells, circulates through the body, and makes this a systemic effect.
Tell me a little bit about your product here.
Yes, the monitor is the product of the year. We use it for dyslexic people. Maybe you know that people with dyslexia are representing nearly 10% of the population in the world. And so we have developed a specific monitor using a flickering effect. We know from researchers we worked with that people with dyslexia have no dominant eye. So they read at the same millisecond and both eyes are bringing the information at the same millisecond to the brain. So the flickering effect we manage here is helping people having a good comfort of reading. So for the show we have this remote controller and I can show you at a reduced frequency that the flickering effect is appearing.
So that's really interesting. If you look here on the camera.
Yes, I know.
It's really interesting.
Yes.
But does this still function at 75 or 80 hertz?
Yes.
So even right now this is functioning and I can't... Oh, I see on the camera.
I can shift. Here it stops.
Okay.
Here it's working.
And then is it just some kind of like device you put between HDMI and the screen? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
You plug with a GMI.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when is this going to be available?
It will be available in next semester, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the price point for it?
The price is not fully set.
Not
It will
set
be
yet? Okay.
two times a bit more the normal price of screen.
Of a standard monitor.
This kind
Okay.
of screen, it's 27 inch.
Okay. And what kind of warranty will that come with?
2 years.